Meet John. Like you, he's a law student. And like you, John struggles with legal writing. And it affects his grade because A. He writes poorly, B. He is confused, and C. He submitted late. Poor John. That is before he met Attorney Ron and Attorney Harleen.
First of all, let us define what is legal writing. Legal writing involves the analysis of fact patterns and presentation of arguments in documents such as legal memoranda, pleadings, and briefs. Next, what are the types of legal writing? The following are the types of legal writing. First, informative. Second, persuasive. Third, functional. Informative legal writing conveys information on an issue. Example, memoranda, letters to clients, and statement of facts in briefs. Persuasive legal writing convinces the reader to accept a certain viewpoint. Example, academic legal writing, motions, pleadings, and argument section of the brief. Functional legal writing is designed for a specific use or result in law which legally bind those involved. Example, deeds, wills, contracts, or drafts of laws and ordinances. What are the common documents that use legal writing? Common documents that use legal writing are pleadings, memorandum, motion, brief. Pleadings are the written statements of the respective claims and defenses of the parties submitted to the court for appropriate judgment. Memorandum is a paper that explains and summarizes specific points of law for a judge, attorney, or a client. Motion, it is a written or oral application made to a court or judge to obtain a ruling or order directing that some act be done in favor of the applicant. Brief is a written document drawn up by an attorney for a party in a lawsuit or by appearing to say that concisely states the issues of a lawsuit, facts that bring the parties to court, relevant laws that can affect the subject of the dispute, and arguments that explain how the law applies to the particular facts so that the case will be decided in the party's favor. What are the elements of legal writing? The elements of legal writing are simplicity, clarity, persuasiveness. Simplicity means to write plainly and simply. How to write simply? Number 1, avoid wordy expression. Avoid elaborating on the obvious. Get to the point. Avoid tautology. Eliminate certain phrases. Minimize the use of conjunctives and relative pronouns. Clarity, which means to be able to express unambiguously what he wants to be reflected on his work. How to write with clarity. Number 1, be clear on your point. Make sure your point is communicated at once. Have a structure. Observe grammatical rules. Be precise. Be consistent. Be logical in your argument. Persuasiveness. A persuasive document attempts to influence the deciding authority to favorably decide the case in favor of one's client.
Now let me give you tips in your legal writing. Jay Reeves, in his article 10 Easy Tips for Powerful Writing, enumerated the following tips to help in your legal writing. First, say what you mean and mean what you say. Don't be cute, coy, or circuitous. State your point clearly and directly. Second, Edit, then edit some more. Great writing is a result of hard work, concentration, and patience, and revision, followed by more revision. Third, read your work out loud. Reading out loud is a way to spot problems and fix them. Fourth, cut, cut, cut. Saying the same thing over and over does not help in getting to your point. Fifth, vary your vocabulary and syntax. Throw in a surprise now and then to keep the reader engaged. Sixth, don't assume you have a captive audience. As soon as it gets dull, they allow their minds to wander or simply stop reading. 7. Pretend you are writing to a friend. You will want to entertain, inform, and enlighten them, not punish them. 8. Use short sentences. Sentences are neat and tidy packages. Powerful ones require only a word or two. 9. Proofread. Typos and grammatical errors undermine your credibility as an author. And lastly, let it sit overnight. When you return to your composition with fresh eyes, you will see new ways to make it better. Wow! Look at how happy John is knowing all that about legal writing. I hope you do too. That's all for this video and hope you learned something new. Bye!